I first sought out treatment here at Pakenham Osteopathy because I had an injury. It was a Friday afternoon and I was playing on the trampoline with the kids, and unfortunately my back had seized up. First thing I did was I jumped on Google and had a look at some reviews, and basically 5 stars, couldn't argue with that. Booked my appointment online, booked in with Niraj, and had my appointment the very next day. He was amazing. He treated me exactly the way I needed to be treated, and I walked away feeling absolutely amazing. So the injury was impacting my life. Being a busy mum of 2, I couldn't chase the kids. I also work. I couldn't sit comfortably at work, had to walk around a lot, stretch, do exercises, but living with the pain throughout the day. At some stages I had to take some pain relief. I don't like to take pain relief, but after my visit the pain was gone, so I didn't have to take any tablets, and I could just get back to my day-to-day activities, even cooking, cleaning, house duties. They were severely impacted, but once I had my treatment I could go back to every duty as I needed to at its full capacity. What I think sets them apart is the professionalism and warmth of all the staff. Not only do I get excellent treatment, but as soon as I walk in the door, there's smiles, there's hey, how you going? Smiles from all the practitioners. Everybody's really happy to be there. And when you're walking into a practice and you're in pain, having that greeting is warming, and you know you're in very capable hands and in a really amazing environment, and everybody wants to be there and treat you well. My advice to anyone who's hesitant to make an appointment is don't be hesitant. Amazing staff, amazing treatment, you will absolutely not be disappointed.